New technology trends and emerging technologies in 2024. Technology today is evolving at a rapid pace, enabling faster change and progress, causing an acceleration of the rate of change. However, it is not only technology trends and emerging technologies that are evolving, a lot more has changed, making IT professionals realize that their role will not stay the same in the contactless world tomorrow. And an IT professional in 2024 will constantly be learning, unlearning, and relearning, out of necessity, if not desire. What does this mean for you? It means staying current with emerging technologies and latest technology trends. And it means keeping your eyes on the future to know which skills you'll need to know to secure a safe job tomorrow and even learn how to get there. Here are the top 18 emerging technology trends you should watch for and make an attempt at in 2024, and possibly secure one of the jobs that will be created by these new technology trends. Starting the list of new tech trends with the talk of the town, Gen I. 1. Generative-AI. Generative-AI, a cutting-edge technology, has revolutionized various industries by enabling machines to create content that resembles human-generated work. It encompasses a wide range of applications, from text generation to image synthesis and even music composition. After mastering generative AI, individuals can pursue exciting job roles in fields such as artificial intelligence research, data science, and creative industries. The ever-expanding applications of generative AI promise a bright future for those who master this technology, offering opportunities to shape how we interact and create content in the digital age. Some of the top job roles include AI researcher, where you can delve deep into the development of advanced generative models. Data scientist, using generative AI to extract valuable insights from data. Content creator, harnessing generative AI for innovative storytelling. AI ethics consultant, addressing the ethical implications of AI-generated content. 2. Computing power. Computing power has already established its place in the digital era, with almost every device and appliance being computerized. And it's here for even more, as data science experts have predicted that the computing infrastructure we are building right now will only evolve for the better in the coming years. At the same time, we have 5G already. Gear up for an era of 6G with more power in our hands and devices surrounding us. Even better, computing power is generating more tech jobs in the industry but would require specialized qualifications for candidates to acquire. From data science to robotics and IT management, this field will power the largest percentage of employment in every country. The more computing our devices will need, the more technicians, IT teams, relationship managers, and the customer care economy will flourish. One essential branch under this field that you can learn today is RPA, i.e. robotic process automation. Here are the top jobs you can target after RPA: data scientist, AI engineer, robotics researcher, AI architect, robotics designer. 3. Smart devices. Artificial intelligence has played an essential role in making our world smarter and smoother. It is not just simulating humans but going the extra mile to make our lives hassle-free and simpler. These smarter devices are here to stay in 2024 and even further, as data scientists are working on AI home robots, appliances, work devices, wearables, and so much more. Almost every job needs smart software applications to make our work life more manageable. Smarter devices are another addition to the IT industry that is of high requirement and demand as more companies transform into digital spaces. Almost every higher-level job requires good IT and automation proficiency to thrive. Here are the best jobs you can venture into: IT manager, data scientists, product testers, product managers, automation engineers, IT researchers. 4. Datafication. Datafication is simply transforming everything in our lives into devices or software powered by data. So, in short, datafication is the modification of human chores and tasks into data-driven technology. From our smartphones, industrial machines, and office applications to AI-powered appliances and everything else, data is here to stay for longer than we can ever remember. So, to keep our data stored correctly and securely and safely, it has become an in-demand specialization in our economy. Datafication leads to a higher need for IT professionals, data scientists, engineers, technicians, managers, and so much more. Even more useful is that anyone with a sound knowledge of technology can do a certification in data-related specializations to find a job in this space. Data jobs are more about skills than big-level qualifications. Let's look at some popular data careers: big data engineers, robotics engineers, IT architect, business intelligence analyst, data scientists.